Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video, we're going to bring some colour to the engine bay of the Subaru with some lovely silicone pipes. Now, here we have some 4mm vacuum pipes for probably the smaller kind of pipes for like the turbo, things like that, boost pipes. Now, I'm not too sure what or where we're going to put this kind of pipes here. This is an 8mm size, but we're not going to mess about. We're going to get straight into the engine bay and see where we can put all this lovely pipe work. So, let's get started. Bay. Now, the pipes that we're going to replace in today is all these kind of vacuum pipes that goes to like the boost solenoid, things like that. Now there is quite a lot of them, so I think after replacing all these pipes, it should look a lot better. Now, as you can see, here's the alternate cover that I did the other day in the last video. I'm gonna say that does look so much better. So let's get cracking. Right, now here we have our two bits of vacuum pipes. Now all you need to do is simply just kind of line them up to size, like so. Like that really. And that's what, and this is where you're going to cut. Just about there now. And now. There we go. Now I think we can appreciate how much better this one looks. Also being silicone, it will last a lot longer as well. And it'll stop any boost leaks, things like that. So that's one done. Now we've got this one to do now. Now actually I think they're both the same length actually. Let's have a look. Slightly different lengths, but it should make a difference. So what we're going to do now is just kind of measure this one up, but cut it to a slightly longer length. So I say we'll cut it just right here. Now, there we go. Now let's get these ones on the car. That's those two ones done, and I think we'll say that does look a lot better. Now, I don't have I am going to secure these properly so they get a good seal, so you have no leaks at all or any air leaks. So I am going to get either some small clamps or some tie wraps to make sure these are got a good seal. But don't actually have any tie wraps at the moment, but I will be getting some. So don't worry, I'm not going to leave it like this. The car's not actually getting used at the moment, so we can do this another day. Now, I think the ones we're going to move on to next is all these ones here. Now, I don't actually know where to start, but we'll get one up at a time. And actually, wait, hold on. There's a couple here actually we're going to replace. So yeah, we'll crack on with this area here first. I think the next one we're going to replace is the one for the dump valve. Now, let's pull this off here. Now, as always, we just measure it up, as you can see here. Look, and so we'll cut right here. And there we go. Now, let's get this on the car. Now, something just happened there. When I was removing this pipe here, one little connector just broke. But luckily, we got a brand new one. So, now, when I make a little join for here, to go from there to there, and then the next pipe we're going to do is this long pipe here, which I think goes to the, I'm not too sure what that is yet, I think it's the boost solenoid, but yeah, so we're going to replace this one next. So, right, let's crack on. that's all the vacuum lines done now, and I think we'll agree that looks a lot better. Everything's all arranged now accordingly, everything's all in place, nothing looks tacky and like kind of muddled up. Everything's all tucked away, nice and neat. Honestly, it looks loads better. Now, at a later date, I will be securing all these properly because they're all just kind of loose in place now because I don't have anything to make sure that you get a good seal. So yeah, again, at a later date, I will be securing all this vacuum pipes with either proper clips or tie-ups, just so they're all sealed and there's no boost leaks. So now that's all done. I think we can appreciate that looks so much better. Like I said, it's the small things that make a big difference. I mean, all this pipework didn't cost that much money. I think it was about maybe £7 for all this. It wasn't too bad. But I think the next thing we're going to move on to is this pipework here. Now it's for the breather tank. Now, got one off already, so we're going to take this one off and replace it. Because, yeah, again, I'm not lying, this pipework has been on here for many, many years. So yeah, I think it's time for some nice fresh pipes to go in there. Now, I say I'm not really happy with how someone's put all this on, but looks like we're just going to kind of go with it. So we'll get this pipework off and replace it with some nice fresh yellow ones. Aye, that's the breather rigged up, all these new pipes, which I must say looks a lot, much better. Definitely a good day's work, I'd say. Wraps up this video. I'm really happy with what I've done today. At a later date I will be going over all the vacuum pipes with tie wraps so they're all secure, and that means there's definitely going to be not any leaks. But I must say it looks so much better. I mean, yeah, again, that silicone pipe didn't cost a lot of money. I think it was about £7 for about 4 meters, something like that. So yeah, if you want this for your car, head over to eBay. There's plenty of colours on there to choose from and all different prices, so you know there's going to be plenty on there, you can't go wrong. But as always, if you did like this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.